XOP Networks turns 20 on January 1, 2023. It's important to take a moment to reflect on all that we've accomplished as a company over the past 2 decades. And what better way to do that than by highlighting some of our most successful products? First up, we have Confair Web, our audio, video conferencing and web collaboration tool that has been a staple for businesses around the world. Next, we have InstaConference, our emergency conference tool for first responders, which has been vital for coordinating responses during critical situations. Third on the list is WhoCaller, our always-on conferencing tool for stockbrokers and auto parts traders, which has transformed the way these industries do business. And finally, we have WebPhone, our browser-based phone service that has made it easier than ever for businesses to communicate with their customers and clients. Here's to another amazing 20 years of XOP Networks. Let's continue to work hard, innovate, and push boundaries as we strive for even greater success. Thank you for being a part of this amazing journey.